Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the Electrolux oven error code F24 in 2025 models, you're in the right place. This pesky code can be a real headache, but don't worry, I'll walk you through what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. Let's dive in. First off, error code F24 on your Electrolux oven typically signals an issue with the oven's temperature sensor or a problem with the heating element. In newer 2025 models, this could be linked to advanced smart features that monitor temperature more precisely, so it's often related to inaccurate readings or sensor failures. If your oven isn't heating properly or keeps shutting off, this is likely the culprit. Now, let's talk about the common causes. The main reasons for F24 include a faulty temperature sensor, loose wiring connections, or even a glitch in the control board. Sometimes, it's as simple as a buildup of dirt or residue affecting the sensor's accuracy. In 2025 Electrolux ovens, software updates might also play a role, so checking for firmware issues is a good idea. Alright, time for some hands-on troubleshooting. Start by ensuring your oven is unplugged for safety. Give it about 5 minutes to reset. Once it's plugged back in, run a test cycle and see if the error persists. If not, great, but if it does, inspect the temperature sensor located at the back of the oven. Look for any visible damage, like burns or breaks, and make sure all wires are securely connected. If you're comfortable with a bit more DIY, grab a multimeter to test the sensor's resistance. It should read around 1000 to 1100 ohms at room temperature. Consult your oven's manual for exact specs. If it's way off, you might need to replace the sensor, which is a part you can order online. However, if you're not experienced with electrical appliances, it's best to call a certified technician. Tampering with internal components could void your warranty or cause bigger problems. Remember, Electrolux offers great customer support, so check their website for troubleshooting guides or service options. There you have it, your guide to tackling error code F24. By following these steps, you could save time and money. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.